Hurry, kid. Try the magic potion again. It's your only hope. Alice trained the magic kid.
Through the back door to the keyhole. And went all the way to Wonderland.
We'll walk up the sea, roll on the Queen's Navy. Stroke your lots orchestrations! Stroke! All bottles and butter and apples for bread!
Oh, I'm all wet. Does anybody have a towel?
No.
A blow dryer?
Huh?
My dear young damsel, the only way to dry yourself off in Wonderland is to initiate an officially sanctioned caucus race.
Hooray!
What's a caucus race?
It involves a lot of running.
And in which way do we run?
Forward, backwards, inward, outward, not about your direction at all.
And how exactly will this running in a caucus race help me to get dried off?
Well, the best way to explain it is to do it! Everybody take your place before we start our caucus race. Wonder why you have to race till you want time. Someplace there and someplace gone.
We're off.
Yes.
We're off.
Get set.
We're off. Forward, backward, inward, outward, bottom to the top. Makes no difference where you run as long as you don't stop. Never end finish, money might not out your shoes. But when the race is over, no one ever seems to lose.
Prizes!
Prizes, 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 prizes. Forward, backward, inward, outward, bottom to the top. Never a beginning, there can never be a stop. Just skipping, hopping, drifting, bumping, bending, swinging. Starting us tomorrow, but we'll finish yesterday. Round and round and round we go until forevermore. For once we were behind, but now we find we are forward, backward, inward, outward. Come and join the chase. Nothing could be jollier than a jolly caucus, jolly caucus, jolly caucus, jolly caucus race.
Oh, very important date.
No time to say hello, goodbye. Hi, Mr. Rabbit. Please wake up, wait for me.
My dear, come back! You're natural! And you've got to win us